Hi, it's Amy from Zero to Dinero. Right now it's getting close to Dinero, which I hope things will change. Anyway, I'm going to put this video out before I change my mind because I'm not wearing any makeup and I do look a bit, never mind. So, the good news is I've got 57, maybe 58 subscribers, which is good. I've got 10,000 views and yeah, I've been posting like crazy. Mostly, you'd be surprised, chopping cabbages, stapler videos, cleaning, which I do need to do a lot of. And yeah, also when you do shorts, the quicker, they like the quicker versions than the regular slow versions. And anyway, also I will show you a screenshot of the YouTube, and I will be surprised my my viewership. I have a lot of guys that are watching me on ASMR. Well, hi guys. Okay, and yeah, so the irony is I have been making a sci-fi show, but it's hardly had any views. There's more views of me chopping cabbage than there is of the sci-fi thing, which I have been putting on X and YouTube and TikTok or whatever. And yeah, well, I think it's more about what people are watching than the effort I put in. I spent half a week making that sci-fi show and got 2 views, and chopping cabbage takes about 1,000, 1,500 views from chopping cabbage. Maybe it means I need to drink more cabbage soup or something. So, and also, I will show you a screenshot of the affiliate commissions. Yeah, things are a bit slow. I mean, maybe I need to, you know, if you guys have any tips on affiliate commissions, let me know, because I'm a newbie. I don't know too much about it, but I've been posting, and yeah, well, I've been posting, and yeah, well, I was thinking of starting a regular week. Maybe this could be week 1, and I'm just sharing what I'm doing week by week, you know, because I'm always hearing stories about some 17-year-old making 100, 200 grand a year or something. I mean, a month actually. And you know, it's, well, what about us old folks? You know, I mean, you know, I'm not officially, you know, 6 feet under yet. You know, I still got a little bit of life left in me. So you know, it's got to be, you know, some inspiration for us people. So, well, what I'm doing next, I'm gonna do some more ASMR and mix up with the shorts. You know, they like the sped up content for the shorts. You know, then I'll also do you know, the cleaning stuff, and I'm also doing live streams. You know, I don't know, watch me do cleaning. You know, I do need a lot of encouragement for cleaning, because I'm not the best cleaner. You know, I do need encouragement for that. And I'm thinking of, you know, now it's reaching sort of serious levels of being broke. You know, so I need to do some gig work like Instacart, DoorDash, tutoring, childcare, pet sitting, anything you can think of. You know, yeah, well, you know, I could, all the online stuff is good, very all, but being viral is not going to pay the bills. So yeah. And anyway, so if you have any stories, any encouraging stories of how you made it, or anything you want to share, let me know, because I do need all the help I can get, and I can help you too, you know, but we'll see, we can help each other out. How's that? And also buy me a coffee. You know, every bit helps. You know, I do appreciate it. And that's it. Well, I hope to see you next week, and maybe I could, well, never mind. This is me with just a little bit of lipstick on. Okay, so it's you know, I'll figure it out. Okay then. All right, see you later.